I do. Back out again. I was freezing when I set off, so thankfully right early on in the ride was a climb. I've warmed up. So heading over to Troutbeck and then to Ambleside this morning. Lovely quiet day. Bit grey, but it ain't raining. Right, I started a sheep count for Dan, who left a message in in the comment section. So feast your eyes. The sheep on them there hills. Right, food stop. Starving. Not a bad spot. Troutbeck Tongue, Kentmere Horseshoe, Kirkstone Pass, Wands Fell, Troutbeck Valley. Windermere Lake is down there. You can't really see it. One, because the camera's rubbish, and also secondly, the trees are the reflection, so it just looks like trees. So yeah, beautiful. That made my eyes water. Bit washed out. So down to Troutbeck Park, caravan site, and across the village towards Jenkins Crag. My feet are so chilly. I think I went through a puddle early on. Left toes. And my toes are even colder. But this is Ambleside. Let me see if I can get a coffee. Buzzard. So in my haste to get out this morning, I forgot to check if the ferry across Windermere Lake is running, so I do hope it is. Otherwise, this ride is going to get a little bit longer. Why is everything so soggy? More sheep down. Okay, so pork pie, sausage roll, cup of coffee at a little shop outside Hawkshead, and I decided at the wrong time to talk because it's going uphill. So heading over to the ferry now, which goes across Lake Windermere. It is running. Spoke to a couple that were also biking, so happy days. Go on. Woo. So part of the idea about getting out instead of being on Zwift was to go to new places. So that's what I'm going to do. I've only ever done this one in the other way around at night, but I did look at the map this morning and there is a little bit that I've not done before, which will actually get me back a little bit quicker, I think, or I hope. There weren't any contour lines on the map that I looked at, so hopefully it's not just a massive climb. So I'll have a look. Oh, last little push now. Lights are on. because we're losing the light. I'm tired. Not that cold, my toes are cold and I just can't feel them. Good day out though. Just been constant. Just constant, just tootling away. I like it a lot. We're just heading back to Crook, then back to Staveley, and then it's lights off, engine on, go home. Good day. Good day to you. Okay, all done. Ride report, 35.5 mile, 3,875 feet of climbing, 1 sausage roll, 1 pork pie, 1 cup of coffee, Staveley, Ambleside, round the top of the lake, Hawkshead, across the ferry, Winster, Crook, Staveley, home. Brilliant ride. Hope you enjoyed it. And like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.